How to connect ChatGPT with HeyGen. In order to connect ChatGPT with HeyGen, simply launch ChatGPT first and log into your account. Tap on the menu icon located from the top left of the screen and go to the option called Plugins. From Plugins, you will see a list of all the plugins available. Tap on the search bar from the top and just search or type in HeyGen. When you do that, you'll find the first publicly available plugin right there, which is HeyGen. To add it, you want to simply click on this plus icon right here, and you'll have to connect your HeyGen account like this. So from here, from the bottom, select Continue to HeyGen. When prompted, also make sure to log in with your exact HeyGen account that you're trying to connect it to. Select that workspace and just click on the Authorize Access button. And this way you can connect ChatGPT with HeyGen. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.